In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your app look professional by changing its theme with a simple chat command. If you've ever felt like your app looks too plain, too generic, or just not polished enough, this is one of the easiest ways to improve it. The best part is that you do not need to be a designer, and you do not need to manually adjust every screen one by one. Instead, you can use a single instruction in the chat to update the overall visual style of the app at once. What we're focusing on here is the theme. The theme controls the general look and feel of your app, including elements like colors, typography, and the overall visual mood. So rather than spending time editing each page individually, you can guide the system with a clear prompt and let it apply those changes across the app more efficiently. To do this, open the chat connected to your app builder and type the following instruction. Change the app to a professional catering theme with dark green and gold colors. Use a clean, modern font. This works well because the request is specific without being overly complicated. You are defining the type of business style, which is professional catering, and you are also defining the color palette, dark green and gold, which gives the app a more refined and upscale appearance. Then, by asking for a clean, modern font, you help ensure the text feels polished and easy to read. Once you send that message, the app should begin updating the design across the interface. You may notice changes in buttons, backgrounds, headings, and other visual elements. This is much faster than trying to restyle every part manually, and it helps keep the design consistent throughout the entire app. A helpful tip here is to be descriptive when you write your prompt. The clearer your visual direction is, the better the result usually becomes. In this example, the combination of theme, color, and font gives the system enough information to create a stronger, more professional look without requiring advanced design knowledge. After the changes are applied, take a moment to review the app visually. Look at whether the colors feel balanced and whether the font matches the brand style you want. Even though the update happens globally, it's always smart to do a quick check so you can confirm the final appearance feels right for your audience. That's it. With one well-written chat command, you can transform the entire app's appearance and give it a much more professional finish in far less time.